Got my iced Americano on the way to work. Today is a Friday, and after school, me and some of the teachers are gonna head to Costco. I'm gonna see Korean Costco for the first time. Oh, this house! This is my uphill battle every single day to work.
Always gonna be an uphill battle.
Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning, and I'm on my way to Gwangjang Shijang for traditional market food. Let's go!
The next day,
Today is Red Day, which is like a public holiday because it's the presidential election. I am going to go to Gangnam today and explore that area.
morning.
Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. I'm hungover, and we're going to go get some pork rib soup. Guys, I just came home and look what came in the mail. Let's do an unboxing. Whoa, look at this box! I'm too excited. Wow. Firstly, like, look at this box. It's like holographic. 17. Whoa. I can't believe I bought this. Who am I? But it's so pretty. Okay, got the batteries in. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Ooh. It also comes with a little lanyard that says 17. And the stickers of all the members that you can stick on to decorate yourself. Ooh, ooh, shiny. Thank you for watching my unboxing. Bye.